There's the back of the resort right here. Our room's on the other side of that wall.
They've been doing some construction on this side, and it's kind of loud in the mornings, but they don't start until about 9 a.m., thankfully.
Alright, here's the room at Intima Tulum. They give you a little bracelet that you can use to unlock the door. And then we have our first floor room here, room 102. King size bed. They do the towel folding there. Got a little couch and a chair, little mini bar, TV. Doesn't really have any reception though, I might add. We have the double sink, walk-in shower here with a bench. Got a separate toilet little room here. And then back here we have the patio, and the patio connects to the pool. So you can go right into the pool from the patio. I have a little table out here, but the pool wraps around. It's got a bunch of fingers, and you can go into the main area there. There's the bar right there, 20 feet away or so, and you have a little screened-in patio door. It's kind of nice, little breeze in here. Here's the bar. They do actually have bottled water that goes out of this little tap here. Matter of fact, it says right there, don't drink out of this tap, but this stuff you can drink, and I've tasted it. It's actually pretty good. Coffee maker, microwave. That goes to the other suite if you wanted to rent out too. And that's basically it. That's